everyone, it's Kim here again to show you how to make your home clean and healthy. Today, we'll be cleaning our upholstery. Step 1, look at your furniture and try to remember the last time it was cleaned. Think about all the pets, food, and let's be real, butts that have been on it since then. Step 2, call your local Chem-dry. I heard that furniture kinda acts like an air filter.
Yeah, but in order to work properly, they have to stay clean. After I'm done, 98% of allergens will be removed.
Whoa.
And thanks to our sanitizer, 89% of airborne bacteria will be gone too.
Did you just make those numbers up?
No, that's from independent lab testing of our hot carbonating extraction process. Well, you're all set.
Good, because I am so ready for a nap.
Oh, and don't forget, I added stain-resistant protectant to keep it cleaner for longer.
Byron, you're the best. There it is. You can make your upholstery clean and healthy again with a little help from Chem-dry. It's super simple.